My name's Joe Harrison. I'm the Chief Executive of the NMTF, that's the National Market Traders Federation. We're here today in Mold for the first time, holding the regional final for North Wales. Every trader on this stretch, on this road here in Earl Road, is between 16 and 30 years age. It's really important that we get these young people into our markets industry. We all know that most of the household names on the high street started their businesses from a market stall. So there's a proven track record. What we want to do is bring those young people, not just trading online, but to trading at a market, speaking face to face with their customers and gaining an awful lot of feedback from the customers, which is a massive advantage.
So my name's Lauren, I'm the owner of Retro Bloom. So organisers have been so helpful in offering free stalls, giving out loads of information. The competition for the young traders has been really useful to introduce me to new markets as well, and everyone's just super friendly. I think markets are really important for young traders because it can be quite a scary thing to bring your brand out into the open. So to have people that are here to help you and nurture you through that process, as well as giving you that guidance and exposure has been really, really good.
My name's Yasmin Loadout and this is my business Craft by Yasmin. I think that events like this for young traders are very important because it's very difficult to get into being a market trader. There's not really a clear way to start and often the events can be quite overwhelming, but the youth markets, they help you to build your business and grow as a business.
So I'm Abigail Proctor and I run Abbey Through the Years handmade hair accessories and gift ware business. I think young traders is really important. It's important for the future of markets. So people would stereotypically think markets are old people, but we're trying to rejuvenate and refresh the market scene, and young traders is really important for that because young traders have got lots of new ideas and things that you might not necessarily associate with a market stall, you might be able to now see on a market.
My name's Tanya Blaine and I'm the owner of Immortal Flame, and we do wood pyrography and resin products. I've actually sold quite a few items today, as well as actually make contacts with people both in the learning world, be able to do workshops, but also be able to advertise to other businesses to actually do custom orders.
Been around all the stalls today and it amazes me that nearly everything's handmade in all the stalls, and some of the talent is amazing. I'd just like to thank the organisers for inviting me along to judge it today. It's been an honour and a privilege, really. It's, again, an honour to have it in Mold. And yeah, thank you very much for allowing me the chance to judge it today.
Events within Mold are really, really important. A couple of reasons why: it brings people into the town, but then also allows communities within Mold to come together, discover each other, discover new things, and for businesses to connect on a personal level with their customers. So I think events are essential. If we want a town that's going to thrive, grow, and continue to sort of move with the times and not take a nosedive, we need to make sure that we are attending these events are still going, we're supporting them, because they really are an essential part of community and town centres nowadays.
I've been coming to the market now, this is 20 months, and you see a difference when they have events on. There's always an improved footfall, and my products are not destination products, they're sort of impact products or impulse buy products, so the better the footfall, the better the sales. It's good fun, there's a lot of good people on this market. Yeah, and I enjoy coming twice a week, Wednesdays and Saturdays.
We're the Flintshire Play Development Team, and today we're here promoting our service to children, families, members of the public, just showcasing what kind of work we do. So we work in the communities, we work in schools, just promoting open access play and providing equal play opportunities for children across Flintshire essentially. The market thing it's not a regular thing we do, so it's just to promote our service, because I feel like we don't probably do enough of it. Just meeting families, children that are coming to do some arts and crafts and activities with us. It can hopefully spread the word and promote the work that we do.
I'm Holly, I'm from the stroke prevention team within Betts Cadwallader. So we do outreach in the community, we offer free blood pressure checks, pulse checks, talk to patients about cholesterol and other things that make them at risk of stroke and hopefully manage that in the community. Come to the market's a good thing because the footfall's great, the public are really engaged, we believe that going to where the people are is really, really important, and outreach in healthcare is really important.
I love Mould Market. I think it's absolutely brilliant, and I think we're one of the very few markets in the whole of the UK now that is still in the thrive stage. I do think it's really, really important though that again our markets move forward with the times, that we start putting things in place that the younger generation, sort of 40 below, can start to get involved with and attend the markets weekly. But the work that goes into it from Flintshire, particularly Jonathan from Flintshire as well, is brilliant. But again, it's one of those things that we need to support it. As a community, we need to support. If you've got a small business, think market first. It's a great starting point, like myself. And yeah, if we don't use it, we'll lose it.